Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10 6th lesson, triangles lesson. Today we will do Converse of BPT theorem. Last video we learned BPT theorem. You can watch it. This video we will learn Converse of BPT theorem. Okay, this is 6.2 theorem. What is the theorem is there? See, if a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. See, if a line, this line, DE line, DE line divides two sides of the triangle. This side dividing equally. DE line, this DE line is there. Now, this line divides these two sides. This side dividing in the same ratio. Same ratio means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, then DE line is parallel to the third side. DE parallel to third side. So, this is we have to prove. Okay. What is the BPT theorem is there? These two are parallel means this again remaining two sides are the proportional. So, this is what is there. This line dividing this sides proportionally means this DE parallel to BC. So, in this one we will do means first theorem is there means we will do four things. Given, to prove, and construction is there means construction, proof. Given means what? What is there in the question, that is the given. To prove means what we are proving, that is the to prove. Construction means which construction we are doing, that is the construction. Proof means which procedure you are going, that is the proof. Okay, what is given in the question? See beta. In triangle, what is there in the question? In triangle ABC, these two are proportional is there. So, we can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the given. To prove what is there? DE parallel to BC. This one we have to parallel, we have to prove. Next, what is the construction is there? Construction what is there means, see, DF is parallel to BC. We will construct this is one. This red color is there now, that is the construction. Red pen is there now, that is the construction. So, DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. This is the construction. What is the proof is there? Carefully listen. Now, let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. So, now we can assume what? DE is not parallel to BC. Now, we can assume this line is not parallel to BC. This line not parallel means what is the parallel? See here, DF is parallel to BC. See here, DE not parallel means what is the parallel? So, DF is, see here, DF is parallel to BC. Okay, DF is parallel to BC. Now see here, DF is parallel to BC means what happens here? In triangle ABC, we will take in triangle ABC. Now we are taking what? DF parallel to BC. Parallel is there means these corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means what we will take? AD by proportional. AD by DB. AD by DB equal to AF by FC. AF by FC. What is the reason? BPT theorem. BPT, according to BPT theorem, this side by this side equal to AF by FC. But actually what is there? This is the BPT theorem. Actually what is there in the question? See here, what is there in the question? AD by DB is equal to AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, what is the actually is there in the question means, see here, in the given what is there? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. This is, you can take first equation. This one we will take second equation. So, by construction what is there? AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. But what is given in the question? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, this is the first equation. This is the second equation. So, from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. See here. From equation 1 and 2. See here. Here what is there? AD by DB is there. And here also AD by DB is there. So, this both same is there means these two also equal. See here, this one left hand side. AD by DB is there. Here also AD by DB is there. So, this both same is there means we can take, this is also equal. From equation 1 and 2, what we can take? AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. We can take it. Now taking after, what to do? Both sides we will add 1. So you write sentence like this, adding 1 both sides. Okay, here I will do only explanation. Here fair notes is there. So now what is there? From both sides you can add it 1. See here I am adding 1. See here AF by FC plus 1 equal to AE by EC plus 1. Okay, try to understand this one. Here nothing means what? 1. Here also nothing means what? 1. So what is the LCM? FC is the LCM. FC LCM means here you will get AF plus here what you will get? Same FC you will get is equal to, here also LCM what is there? EC is the LCM. So EC is closed means here same only you will get AE plus here 1 is there. So same, what you will get? Same EC you will get. Okay. Now see here AF plus FC. See here AF plus FC. AF plus FC means what is this? AC. So here we can write AC. AC by FC. Okay, is equal to AF AC by FC is equal to, now AE by EC is equal to what? This is also AC by EC. Try to understand. Here what is there? AF plus FC. AF plus FC. So overall you will get AC. Down same only you will get. Next here what is there? AE plus EC. AE plus EC. Overall what you will get? AC. So here is you will get like this. Now what to do? See here this AC cancel. Okay. What is remain? 1 by FC equal to 1 by EC. So now you can take upside also. FC equal to EC you will get. So here FC equal to EC you will get. Okay, this concept you have to do. Okay, this is clear I think. Now see here fair notes also is there, same there. So FC is equal to EC is there. So FC is equal to FC is equal to EC is there. FC is equal to EC is there. So two places point no chance. So this meaning what? FC is equal to EC is there. FC is equal to EC is there. So what is the chance is there? F and E are the coincident. Coincident means what? This F point is there, no? And the E place only is there. Coincident means in this place only this F point is there. This meaning what? F and E are the coincident. So this F point is there. Now what is the chance is there? It is on the E place only. So this is called coincident. F, E same place is there means that is called the coincident. So same place is there means this meaning what? DE parallel to BC. This F also same place only F is there. So according to this one, DE is equal to BC is the answer. This is the question. Okay, not understood means once again you watch it. Again you have any doubt also, comment it. Subscribe my channel. Done.